Welcome to Light Tutorials. In the Library panel, Compare mode allows you to select one photo as a reference and then cycle through other images side by side. Select the photo you want to use as your reference. Click on the Compare View button on the bottom left or type C on your keyboard. Select denotes the reference image, and candidate will be whichever image is selected in the collection. Cycle through the images you want to compare, using the arrows on the bottom left or those on your keyboard. Be careful when selecting photos with the cursor. If we click on the inside of the photo, the select photo will change, and the candidate will remain as is. If we click on the gray area outside the image on the film strip, that photo will become the select, and the photo next to it will become the candidate. To swap between select and candidate, click on the swap icon on the bottom right. If we click on the Make Select button, our candidate image will become select and the candidate will become the next image on the film strip. When the padlock icon on the toolbar is locked, we can zoom into both images simultaneously. When unlocked, just the currently selected image, which can be either select or candidate, will zoom. Clicking on Sync will bring the other image to the same perspective. But what if you want to compare more than one picture at a time? Select as many photos as you wish to compare, and click on the Survey Mode icon, or type N on your keyboard. Survey Mode will then display these photos. Clicking on the X on the bottom right corner of the image will remove that photo from your selection. Clicking on Loop View, or pressing C, will end Compare View. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.